Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore how to play Chained Together in split screen mode. These features allow you to enjoy the game friends on the same screen, making it perfect for local cooperation game sessions. Step 1. Connect controllers. First, ensure all the necessary controllers or keyboard are connected to your PC. Each player should have their own input device assigned. For consoles, simply pair the second controller using the console's pairing method. Step 2. Launch the game. Next, launch Chain Together from your Steam library or desktop shortcut. Wait for the game to load to the main menu. Step 3. Go to the local cooperation mode. In the main menu, look for the option that say local co-op or split screen. This is where you will set up your multiplayer sessions. Step 4. Set up split screen. Select the local cooperation co-op mode to activate split screen. You might see option for different split screen layouts such as vertical or horizontal. Choose that one that suit your preference. Step 5. Start the game. Add your second player by following the on-screen prompt. Once both players are set up, select Start Game or Begin. The screen will split according to the mode you selected and you are ready to play together. And that's it. Now you can enjoy Chain Together with friends in split screen mode. These features adds a whole new level of fun of the game, making it perfect for local gaming session. If you have any questions or tips, feel free to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving videos.